Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes. So first thing that's sure our Oppo device here, in our case is in the just blue color. So also we have here the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs. Here you can check it later if you want. Also, we have here the USB-C cable, and inside of this paper box we have also the SIM jack tool, some paperwork like the safety guide and the quick start guide, and also have the protective silicone case in just the clear one. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.